In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start a book review website for total beginners. We'll be going over everything that you need to start your book review website, how to customize it, and how to ultimately make money with your book review website. The first step in creating a book review website is choosing your niche. Now, while it might be tempting to review every book that you read, focusing on a specific genre or audience can help attract a dedicated following. Consider niches like mystery novels, self-help books, children's literature, or science fiction. This will help you target a specific audience and make your content more cohesive. For this example, we will choose the self-help personal development books for our niche. There are plenty of platforms out there to create your website on, but the one that we recommend is Hostinger. And the reason is that they're very affordable. We use it for all of our websites, and we also have a special discount code below where you can get an even better price. So if you want to get started with Hostinger today, go ahead and click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. So just go ahead and click on Start Now, and then you can go ahead and choose from one of Hostinger's 3 plans. For most of you watching this, the premium or the business plan will be more than enough. With the premium plan here, you can create 100 websites, you get 25,000 visits monthly, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, free pre-built templates, unlimited free SSL, free email, weekly backups, all for only $2.99 a month. So to get the best deal, again, go ahead and click on the link down in the description and then choose your plan. So after you select your plan, you'll be directed to this page here where you can select the term of the plan that you want. So you can choose from 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. Obviously, the larger term that you choose, the more that you're going to save. And we recommend choosing any of these options other than the 1 month because you're really not going to see as many savings, and building a website is sort of a long-term thing anyways. So for this example, we'll go ahead and choose the 12-month option. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is scroll all the way down here to the coupon code area and just type in my first website and hit apply. And you can see it went from $109 all the way down to $34.45. So for only $34.45, you're going to get web hosting for over 100 websites. And Hostinger also has a 30-day money-back guarantee if for whatever reason you're unsatisfied. But again, be sure to use the code MyFirstWebsite and use the link down in the description for the best savings. Okay, so once you are signed into your account with Hostinger, it's going to look something like this, and you can go ahead and see the hosting plan right here that you just signed up for. Now, the first thing that I would recommend you do is you come over here to the domain section, click on that, and this is where you can go ahead and access your free domain for the first year with your Hostinger plan. Now, we've already used our free domains, so I'm going to go back over here. So after you've selected your domain, go ahead and come on over here to websites, and this is where we're going to start creating our book review website. So what you're going to want to do is come up here and click this little plus sign, and you can choose between WordPress and Hostinger Website Builder. Hostinger Website Builder is an AI-powered drag and drop website builder that's really good for beginners, and that's what we're going to be using today. But we have other videos on the channel going over WordPress, which is a lot more customizable, but a lot less beginner friendly. So go ahead and click on Hostinger Website Builder, and then here it's going to ask if you want to create or migrate a website, and we want to create a website. So we'll go ahead, select that, and click next. And then here it's going to ask if we want to create our website with WordPress with AI or Hostinger Website Builder. Again, we're going to use Hostinger Website Builder for this example because it's perfect for beginners. Again, WordPress has a little bit more customization, but is not as beginner friendly. Go ahead and click next. And then from here, you may or may not see this screen if you already went ahead and selected your free domain. Again, we've used our free domain, so for this example, I'm just going to use a temporary domain. So now we can either let AI create you a website in minutes, or we can go ahead and use some pre-made templates. So let's go ahead and click on the start creating, and we'll go ahead and let AI create this website. So the first thing it's going to ask is, what is the website type? And for a book review website, this is going to be more or less like a blog. So we'll go ahead and select that. For our brand name, we could go ahead and type in whatever makes sense for you. And then next, it's going to ask for a description. So it says, describe your project or brand in a few sentences, include what colors and fonts you'd like to use. So we are building a book review website for self. Type in just, something like that, and go ahead and click on create website. And as we can see, Hostinger AI is going to build our website extremely fast. It's already almost halfway done. Okay, as you can see, it went ahead and created a website for us extremely fast. And we can go ahead and scroll down and sort of look at this. And honestly, it looks pretty good for how long it took and the effort that we put into it. And what we can go ahead and do is we can go ahead and come up to the top here and see how it's going to look on mobile. And we can go ahead and scroll down here and just take a look, and just to make sure that everything everything fits right and looks okay on both mobile and desktop. So if we want to edit this site, what we can go ahead and do is up here in the top right, we can go ahead and click on edit site. And now we can go ahead and edit this site however we see fit. Now this isn't going to be a super in-depth tutorial on how to create custom websites. You can go ahead and play around with that on your own, or go ahead and see some other videos on the channel that we've made with more in-depth tutorials. So go ahead and play around with your website to fit it the way that you like. But to give you a brief little rundown on how to get started with customizing your website, if we click on over to the left side bar here, we have all the tools that we need. So there's a little site setup checklist. We can add different elements to our website with this button here. We can add pages and navigation. We have the website styles, different AI tools, the blog posts, as well as different website settings. So you're going to want to make sure that your book review website includes these essential sections. You're going to want a home page. So the home page will showcase the latest book reviews and featured posts. An about page. On the about page, you'll introduce yourself and your passion for books. Review categories. So here you can organize your reviews by genre, author, or rating, however you see fit. Then a contact page. So provide a way for readers to reach out. Privacy policy. Ensure that there's legal compliance, especially if using affiliate links. Writing compelling book reviews. Writing compelling book reviews is crucial to engaging your audience and establishing credibility. A well-structured review not only informs your readers, but it also helps them decide whether to pick up the book or not. So here's a detailed guide on crafting effective reviews. So when crafting your reviews, you're going to want to follow these steps. Start with an introduction. Here, you'll briefly introduce the book and its author. Then provide a summary. Provide a concise summary without any spoilers. Review. Share your insights on the plot, characters, writing style, and the overall impression depending on the niche that you chose at the beginning. Rating. Include a rating or a recommendation, something like 4 out of 5 stars or something similar to that. Affiliate links. Insert links to book retailers where readers can purchase the reviewed books or sign up as an Amazon affiliate and link over to Amazon. So for the introduction, you're going to want to begin your review with a brief introduction to the book and its author. Mention the title, genre, and any notable achievements or previous works by the author. This sets the stage and gives readers context about the book and its creator. So for example, in this latest thriller by acclaimed author John Doe, Mystery at Midnight, readers are taken on a suspenseful journey through the dark alleys of London. 2. Summary. Provide a concise summary of the book without giving any spoilers away. Here, you'll want to highlight the main plot points and themes of the book. This section should give readers a clear idea of what the book is about while maintaining the intrigue. For example, the story follows Detective Jane Smith as she unravels the mystery behind a series of cryptic letters left at crime scenes. With each clue, the case becomes more complex, revealing a web of secrets and lies. 3. Detailed review. This is the heart of your review. You're going to want to share your insights and analysis on various aspects of the book. For the plot, discuss the plot's strengths and weaknesses. Was it engaging and well-paced? Were there any unexpected twists? For example, the plot is masterfully crafted, keeping readers on the edge of their seats. Each chapter ends with a cliffhanger, making it hard to put the book down. Characters. You can analyze the characters. Were they well developed and relatable? Did their actions and motivations feel authentic? For example, Detective Smith is a compelling protagonist with a complex backstory that adds depth to her character. The antagonist is equally well written, with motivations that are slowly revealed. Writing style. Comment on the author's writing style. Is it descriptive, concise, poetic, or straightforward? How does the style contribute to the overall experience? Example, Doe's writing is vivid and descriptive, painting a clear picture of the eerie settings and creating a tense atmosphere that complements the story. Themes. Reflect on the themes and messages conveyed in the book. How effectively were they presented? Example, the book explores themes of trust and betrayal with subtle commentary on the moral ambiguities faced by law enforcement. 4. Personal impressions and connection to the niche. Share your personal impressions and how the book connects to the niche that you chose. Explain why you found the book enjoyable or disappointing and how it compares to other books in the same genre. Example, as a fan of mystery novels, I found Mystery at Midnight to be a standout in its genre. The intricate plot and well-drawn characters set it apart from other recent thrillers. 5. Rating. Include a rating or recommendation on the end of your review. This could be a numerical rating, example 4 out of 5 stars, or a simple recommendation, for example, highly recommended, worth a read. For example, overall, I would give Mystery at Midnight 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's a gripping read that I highly recommend to any mystery enthusiast. 6. Affiliate links. Don't forget to insert affiliate links to book retailers where readers can purchase the reviewed books. Sign up as an Amazon affiliate or use other affiliate programs to earn commissions from sales. Be transparent with your readers about the use of affiliate links. Example, if you're interested in reading Mystery at Midnight, you can purchase it here, and this is where you'd insert your affiliate link. This helps support our website at no additional cost to you. 7, call to action. Encourage your readers to engage with your review. Ask them to leave comments, share their thoughts on books, and follow your site for more reviews. For example, have you read Mystery at Midnight? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for more book reviews and recommendations. By following these steps, you'll create thorough and engaging book reviews that resonate with your audience and help drive traffic to your website. Promoting your book review website. Promote your website to attract readers. Social media. Share reviews on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook. SEO. Optimize your content for search engines using relevant keywords. Guest blogging. Write for other book-related blogs to expand your audience. Email newsletter. Keep subscribers updated on new reviews and blog posts. Monetizing your book review website. Explore these different monetization options. First up is affiliate marketing, which we already touched on. Earn commissions by linking to books on affiliate networks. Sponsored posts. Collaborate with authors or publishers for sponsored reviews. Ads. Use ad networks like Google AdSense to display ads on your website. Merchandise. Sell book-related merchandise to your audience. Creating a book review website with Hostinger's built-in website builder is straightforward and easy for brand new website builders. Follow these steps to share your love for books and potentially earn an income through affiliate marketing. Now, that's everything that you need to know about how to start a book review website using Hostinger's website builder. Again, we'll leave a link down to Hostinger down below where you guys can get started for less than $3 per month. Just make sure to use code MyFirstWebsite for an even greater discount. Now, don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on web development and design. Now, the links down in the description are affiliate links, so they do help out the channel if you end up using them. It's no extra cost to you, and in fact, you'll get a discount if you use those codes. So thank you again for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.